Okay, so welcome back to Quick Calculus. And now we have here an example kung saan kailangan maghanap tayo ng constants a and b such that itong function na to, f of x, is continuous on its domain. No? So, again, kapag ka nag-check tayo ng continuity, we just get the limit from the left side and the right side. Okay, so check natin ngayon kung paano natin to gagawin. So, tignan natin, we have here ax squared minus x minus b for all values of x less than or equal to 2. And then bx minus 4 sa 2 less than x less than 4. And 4 for all values of x greater than or equal to 4. So, check natin ngayon yung mga ranges natin, yung boundaries ng ranges natin. So, meron tayong different function for x equals 2 and x equals 4. Tama? So, check natin ngayon. We have here the limit as x approaches 2 minus of f of x. So, since 2 minus yung function natin, dapat yung gagamitin na function is yung ax squared minus x minus b. Kasi 2 minus, so that it means 1.9999, and that is less than 2. So, this is a times 2 squared minus 2 minus b. And this is equal to 4a minus 2 minus b. Okay, and check natin sa right side. So, limit as x approaches 2 plus of f of x. And yung f of x natin ngayon would be bx minus 4. Tama kasi 2 plus is 2.1. So, magiging b times 2 minus 4 or just 2b minus 4. And para maging continuous yung isang function, dapat equal yung dalawang ito. Tama? So, 4a minus 2 minus b should be equal to 2b minus 4. And as of this moment, wala tayong masolve dito since we have here 2 unknowns pero 1 equation only. Okay, so let's check yung sa boundary natin at 4. No? So, let's check the limit as x approaches 4 minus of fx. And yung 4 minus natin would be bx minus 4. Tama? So, b times 4 minus 4 or just 4b minus 4. And check natin yung sa plus. So, limit as x approaches 4 plus of f of x. This is equal to just 4. And dapat again, equal tong dalawa. So, 4b minus 4 is equal to 4. Or, b is equal to simply 2. Okay? So, now we have a value for b. So, pwede na natin gamitin dito sa equation na to. So, 4a minus 2 minus b is equal to 2b minus 4. So, b is equal to 2 daw. So, 4a minus 2 plus 2 times 2 minus 4. And solving for a, we have now just to be equal to 1. Okay, so now we can rewrite yung buong equation natin na to. So, ax squared minus x minus b. Alam na natin yung value for a, alam na natin yung value for b. So, let's rewrite it as f of x is equal to ax squared. So, this will be just x squared minus x minus 2 for x less than equal to 2. And we have bx minus 4, so that is 2x minus 4 for 2 less than x less than 4. And for values of x greater than or equal to 4. So we have solved a and b, constants a and b, such that this function is continuous on its domain. Okay? So see you in the next video.